How to use Pandabuy. Hi guys, welcome. So first of all, start by opening up your Pandabuy. After that, it will not ask you to create or log in your account. So what you have to do is to simply tap on account on the bottom right, and this will now take you to the login and sign up page. So of course we are going for the sign up. You can also continue with Apple or Google, so simply I will go with Google. So as you can see, I have created my account. So the first thing is browse product. Once you are logged in, you can start browsing for products. You can use the search bar at the top of the page to find specific item or browse through the specific category listed on the home page. The next feature is add to cart. So if I select any of these products, I will tap on add to cart, and after that I can check out it, and after that I have to enter the shipping detail and make payment. At the end I can also track the product. So the best feature is you can post a picture of your particular product. So let's say you have a picture of the shoes. So let me show you as an example what I mean. If I search for shoes and search for it and tap on images, and I will download any kind of shoes that I want to buy from this particular website. So I will simply tap and hold and save this picture. Now if I open up my Pandabuy and tap on album and select that picture, as you can see you need to at least 300 growth value to view the product reference image. Your current growth value is not enough. If you are an experienced user of it, or if you become an experienced user in the future, you can use this particular feature of this. So that was the basics of how you can use Pandabuy. Hope this helped. Make sure to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.